Welcome to day 29 of 90 Days Reel Challenge, and today we are going to discuss the second C for anybody in order to become a profitable trader and investor, and that is called as confidence, which means you should have the absolute confidence of who you are as a trader, what kind of trading you do, what kind of trading systems you have, what kind of tools and indicators you are using in order to execute the trade, and so on. Because until and unless you don't have confidence on your own systems and strategies, you're not going to sustain as a profitable trader. And confidence in trading will not just come through learning of any of the tools or systems or strategies, but it will come through the practical implementation of it. Because learning but not doing is the end of knowing. No matter what systems or strategies you are using, until and unless you don't implement it, you don't backtest it thoroughly, you're not going to make money through it. And when it comes to trading, there is one analogy which is like first we have to plan the trade and then we have to trade the plan. But until and unless we don't plan the trade confidently, we can't trade the plan and we can't get results out of it. So it is very important for anybody in order to gain confidence. And how do we gain that is what we are going to discuss tomorrow in third C.